Hello, this is IC from Greece. Today, I'd like to introduce when the cooling effect of the air conditioner is not good, how to judge whether the after-sales service is needed based on the following data. First of all, touch activation. Long press the function key for 5 seconds to enter C00 mode. Press the mode key 3 times continuously, then press up or down key. You can see C07, C12, C14, C15 in turn. In the state of N07, 05 is the module high pressure and 06 is the module low pressure. So, the cooling effect of this GMV is no problem. When the high and low pressure of the outdoor unit is under normal conditions, the high pressure range is 20 to 55 degrees and the low pressure range is 0 to 8 degrees. The inlet pipe temperature of the GMV in summer is normal between 8 to 12 degrees. The temperature difference between the tube temperature and the outlet temperature is between 0 and 8 degrees, and the smaller the temperature difference, the better the effect. The opening of the electronic expansion wave of the indoor unit is capped at 480 pls. The inlet pipe is 8 degrees and the outlet pipe is 23 degrees. It is no problem if the temperature difference is large when it is just turned on. If the temperature difference is still large after running for half an hour, there is a problem with the air conditioner. The inlet pipe is 18 degrees and the outlet pipe is 23 degrees. Even if the temperature difference is within the allowable range, if the cooling effect is not good, there is a problem because the inlet pipe temperature is higher than the allowable range. Therefore, the temperature of the inlet and outlet pipes is also related to the outdoor ambient temperature. When the outdoor ambient temperature is high, the temperature of the indoor inlet and outlet pipes will also be high. Hence, based on the above explicit data, we can judge whether there is a problem with the cooling effect of the air conditioner in the home.